Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to understand the project which is implemented in Python and machine learning. The name of the project is Tomato Disease Identification using machine learning algorithm. So as per as this project is concerned, so it is implemented in Python having the backend as SQLite database plus at the front end side we are using HTML and CSS coding. So as far as the algorithm is concerned, we are using SVM algorithm to train the images on that data set as well as to identify the disease. So basically here we are considering the tomato fruit and we are trying to identify the diseases on it. So basically we are not classifying in multiple diseases, rather we are actually calculating the quality of that particular tomato, and also we are finding out the severity level of that disease on that tomato plant. So for example, we are having the images like this. So for example, such kind of images, so these yellow spots on this tomato is treated as the affected area. So this is the affected area, so we are actually calculating this affected area. We are trying to find out the affected area, and that way we are calculating the quality and the severity level of this particular tomato. So this is what we are going to do. So the front end is HTML, CSS, back end is Python, and of course the Flask framework of Python is used for the web development. And as far as the algorithm is concerned, the SVM algorithm is used to train the model. Now coming to the front end side, so we have this interface. So here we are having the login page as well as the registration page as well as the forgot password page. So this is the basic login facility provided at the front end side. So once you log in, so we will be redirected to this home page where the important information about the project is displayed, like the algorithm, data set, and the framework of the project, as well as the problem statement, proposed solution, and conclusion and introduction about this project. On the dashboard we will get the important information about the project, like accuracy parameters and all. And then on this particular page here, actually we can upload the image. So for example, if you upload a certain image, for example I will upload this image, then this image will be uploaded to the portal this way. And once I click predict, so first of all this is the raw image, which that's the original image. Now it is converted to the grayscale like this, and then this is the segmented version, or basically here the disease part or the affected part is created as white and the remaining part is black. And now this portion is now highlighted using the yellow color. So this is converted to yellow. So that's the affected area. So based on the area, this is actually a 7% area of this particular tomato is affected, considering the entire area of this tomato, and that's how the level is 1. But if the affected area is more, then the level will be 2, 3, like that. So this is how the prediction is done and the calculations are done. So that's the complete implementation about this particular project. In case you need the code or any kind of support regarding this project, you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.